It's your friend Siddharth Malhotra here, and today, we're diving into a fascinating world where science fiction is becoming a reality, the incredible world of science and its impact on humanity. From predicting natural disasters to rewriting our genetic code, we're on the cusp of a new era. Join me as we explore these groundbreaking advancements and ponder the challenges that lie ahead. As an actor, I often find myself drawn to stories of human resilience and ingenuity. But nothing showcases these qualities quite like our relentless pursuit of scientific understanding. It's this very pursuit that has allowed us to unravel the mysteries of the universe and push the boundaries of what's possible. For centuries, natural disasters have instilled fear and awe in equal measure. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, tsunamis. These forces of nature can reshape landscapes and leave devastation in their wake. But what if we could anticipate these events, giving us precious time to prepare and protect ourselves? Thanks to the tireless efforts of scientists and engineers, we're getting closer to that reality. Sophisticated early warning systems are being deployed worldwide, using a network of sensors to detect and analyze seismic activity, volcanic tremors, and changes in atmospheric pressure. These systems can provide crucial minutes, even hours, of advance notice, allowing authorities to issue timely evacuations and minimize the impact on human life. Beyond the realm of natural disasters, a silent revolution is taking place in the world of medicine. Scientists are delving deep into the building blocks of life itself, our genes, unlocking secrets that have the potential to transform healthcare as we know it. Imagine a world where we could identify and treat genetic diseases before they even manifest, preventing suffering and saving countless lives. This is the promise of genetic testing and gene editing technologies like CRISPR, which are rapidly advancing and becoming increasingly accessible. We're entering an era of personalized medicine, where treatments can be tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup, maximizing effectiveness and minimizing side effects. Section 4. The Cloning Conundrum. A glimpse into the future? No discussion about the future of science would be complete without mentioning the elephant in the room: human cloning. This controversial topic has sparked debates across the globe. While still in its infancy, this technology raises profound ethical and philosophical questions that we, as a society, need to grapple with. The implications are vast and complex. The potential benefits of human cloning are undeniable. From medical advancements to scientific breakthroughs, the possibilities are endless. Imagine being able to grow organs for transplantation, providing a lifeline to those in need, eliminating the long waiting lists that currently plague the medical system, and significantly reducing the risk of organ rejection, thereby saving countless lives. Or consider the possibility of using cloning to preserve endangered species, ensuring their survival for future generations, or even bring back extinct ones, offering a glimpse into our planet's past. However, these potential benefits come with a host of ethical concerns, sparking intense debates and discussions, from the potential for abuse and exploitation of this technology to the very definition of what it means to be human, challenging our core beliefs and values. Section 5. The Human Paradox. Our greatest strength, our biggest threat. As we marvel at the wonders of scientific progress, from groundbreaking medical advancements to space exploration, we must also confront a sobering reality. The greatest threat to humanity often comes not from nature's fury, but from ourselves. Our actions and decisions shape the world we live in. While we strive to predict and mitigate natural disasters, investing in technology and infrastructure, we often struggle to overcome the man-made disasters of conflict, violence, and inequality. These issues are deeply rooted in our societies. From the horrors of World War II, which left an indelible mark on history, to the ongoing conflicts in various parts of the world, the cycle of violence continues. History is replete with examples of our capacity for destruction, showing us the consequences of our actions. The resources we pour into weapons and warfare, which could be redirected towards more constructive purposes, could be used to address pressing global challenges like poverty, providing education and healthcare, hunger, and climate change. These are issues that require our immediate attention and collective effort. Yet we often seem trapped in cycles of violence and division, unable to break free from our destructive patterns. driven by greed, intolerance, and a thirst for power. It is a paradox that we must strive to resolve for a better future. Section 6. A call to action towards a brighter shared future. As we stand at this crossroads of scientific advancement and human fallibility, the path forward is clear. We are presented with an unprecedented opportunity to shape our future. We must harness the power of science not only to understand the world around us, but also to understand ourselves better. This understanding can lead to innovations that improve our lives and the lives of future generations. Just as we strive to predict earthquakes and prevent diseases, we must also strive to foresee and mitigate social and environmental challenges. We must also invest in understanding the roots of conflict, promoting empathy and compassion, and working tirelessly to build bridges between diverse communities. By fostering a sense of shared humanity, we can create a world where everyone feels valued and respected. The future is not predetermined, it is ours to create. Every action we take today shapes the world of tomorrow. Let us embrace the spirit of scientific inquiry, not just to conquer the stars, but also to build a more just, equitable, and peaceful world for all. Our collective efforts can lead to a brighter future. Thank you for joining me on this journey of exploration. Your curiosity and engagement are the first steps towards meaningful change. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking content. Your support helps us continue to bring you insightful and inspiring stories. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay hopeful. Together we can make a difference.